Here I have POCO M3 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to speed up this device. So firstly, you have to open security application, then tap agree, then it completes scanning your device for any issues, something that could be optimized, and all you need to do is to just tap optimize. And after that, it will automatically speed up your system, clear cache, like optimize security measures and something like that. And after that, your device will be working a little bit faster for sure. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.